Situation is normal in many districts, while in few districts, situation is tense but under control, according to Kuldiep Singh, who is security advisor to the government of Manipur. In a statement issued on Wednesday, curfew was curtailed in the valley districts due to some law and order situation. Stating that movement of essential items along National Highway number 37 is being ensured, he said that on Wednesday at about 6:30 am, 160 loaded vehicles, LPG bullet 2, petrol 24, diesel 4, cement 41, transport goods 88 and fertilizers 1 left Jiribam for Imphal. At about 11:15 am, 205 empty vehicles, empty truck 99, loaded truck 3, gas cylinder 2, empty LPG bullet 24, empty oil tanker 67, cruiser 6, bus 3, Sumo 1 left Imphal for Jiribam. Earnest appeal is made to all concerned not to believe any rumor and confirm suspicious information using the rumor-free number 9233522822 and also to make all efforts to restore peace and harmony, the statement added.